Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload your first video on YouTube step by step. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in with it. Once you are signed in to YouTube, you can upload your first video. Look in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. You will see a plus sign and a Create button. Click it. A small menu will appear. Select Upload Video. This will take you to the YouTube Studio upload page. A file picker window will open. Find the video file you want to upload from your computer and click Open. Your video will start uploading right away. While it uploads, you can fill in the details. In the title box, type the name you want your video to have. In the description box, write a short text that explains what your video is about. Scroll down to select a thumbnail. You can choose one of the suggested images or upload your own picture. Then choose the audience for your video. You must say if it is made for kids or not. Click on Show More. Here, you can add tags and everything. Click Next. In the next screen, you can add subtitles, an end screen, or info cards if you want. If you do not need these right now, click Next again. In the visibility section, choose how you want your video to be published. You can select Private, Unlisted, or Public. Private means only you can see it. Unlisted means only people with the link can see it. Public means everyone on YouTube can see it. Once you have made your choice, click Publish if you chose public or Save if you chose private or unlisted. YouTube will finish processing your video. When it is done, you will get a link that you can share. That is how you can upload your first video step by step. Thanks for watching.